Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a look at index market around the world after last week, where equity market has cheered the Fed decision and they reignite hope that there might just be a soft landing. So let's start here with the Dow Jones, and this is the daily chart, and as we can see, this beautiful V-shaped move that we had from this previous low all the way down and back up again in one strong bullish move. I like that scenario. What we can also see is this area where we're sitting right now has been an area of support and resistance in the past. So another touch over here, a touch on the way down becoming support, and here we're touching this area once again. So because we had a strong push toward that level, what I'm looking for is a bit of reaction to this strong resistance level, a bit of a pullback and another attack at that level. So I'm looking for compressions of price. I'm looking for another higher low and a potential break and a move potentially toward that 35,000, which is the next strong level. Now, if we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see the strong reaction that we had here. There is no clear direction at the moment on the big picture. So if we'll move into the monthly, we'll see it a bit clearer. We are going sideways here in the big scheme of things, but we can see the rejection that we've got here. So to confirm the continuation of the push higher, I am going to need to see that compressions of price happening here, either on the daily or on the mid time frame. The next market out of the US is the Russell 2000. Now, this one is looking a lot more bearish. So let's take a look here on the higher time frame on the monthly, and we can see that we're actually pushing lower. So we are making lower highs and lower lows, and currently in the midst of a pullback. If we'll take a look here on the weekly, we can see that this big push that we had last week simply brought us back into the averages, into the sell zone, and into this area of support and resistance. So if the market will turn more bearish, then I'll be paying attention to the Russell and I'll be looking for short position toward that 1650 lows. The next market that I want to take a look at is the CAC 40, so the French index. Now, if we'll take a look at the move that happened here, this big push, we actually broke two lower highs along the way, and I like that a lot. We don't have a clear level such as we had on the Dow, but what I'm looking for here is actually a pullback to test this level from above, so the area of the 69.40. If we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see the level that we're touching right now. So I am expecting a bit of reaction to that level, but I like the move. If we'll take a look here on the monthly, I like the move of this pullback. We're back into the averages, the buy zone, the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. So once again, if we'll see some bullish movement in the index, this is one of the index markets that I'll be keeping an eye on. I just want to see a pullback testing this level from above and any signs that the buyers are returning into the market around this area. A very similar story is on the EU stock 50. So it's a similar scenario, and once again here we've got a break above two lower highs, and I'm looking for a pullback to test this level from above, so the level around the 40.85 area. Taking a quick look here on the monthly, quite a similar story. We do have here a higher high, went higher than this previous high, and now we're pulling back into the averages, the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, the buy zone. And a quick look at the weekly chart, and we can see similar story back into a level of support and resistance. So I am expecting some sort of a reaction to that level, which would hopefully bring us back into the 40.85 area. Then I'll be looking for any signs that the buyers are returning into the market around this area, and I'll be looking for a continuation of this push. So interesting moves around the index market and different approaches depending on the levels and where they sit right now. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.